Good morning and hello to everybody. My name is Martin. Today is time to replace the starter motor for this '08 Honda Acura TL. Safety first. Parking brake on, emergency brake on, protective equipment, and we'll remove this battery negative cable first. We'll remove the battery bracket and the cable nuts. They are 10 millimeter. With covers removed, remove this harness bolt here, and then that gives access to two starter bolts, one here and one there, 14 millimeter. Remove the starter cable. It has a 13 millimeter nut. Remove ignition cable to the solenoid. New starter. Keep the old gasket installed, ready to go in. Clean and oil the bolts. This is the second bolt. Clean the starter cable and install it. Cleaning the battery cables before battery installation. Terminals have been cleaned, installed, bracket installed, ready to try it. Covers back on, close the hood, job well done.